What, can you tell me all about it? Well, good morning, Abby. You have so much to say? Uh-huh. Yes? Did you have a good night's sleep? Are you excited to go see Grammy and Grampy and Nana and Papa? Hmm? Are you excited to see your cousin and see your uncles? Yep. I think you're excited. Say I love you. So we have to get Daddy to wake up. Say wake up, Dada. Say wake up, Dada. Can you say wake up, Dada? You done talking? Hmm? You done talking? I think Dada's waking up. Say hi, Dada.
No.
Say morning.
Stop.
All right. Say bye-bye.